Bad habits are not moral failures. They're behavioral loops, serving a function, usually unconsciously. Understanding the function is key to breaking them. Willpower alone fails reliably. Biology requires different approach. Every bad habit provides reward. Otherwise, brain wouldn't maintain it. The trick is identifying the real reward, not the obvious one, not the stated one, the actual psychological or physical payoff. This requires investigation. Start with awareness. When does habit occur? What triggers it? How do you feel? Before, during, after. Most bad habits are coping mechanisms for stress, boredom, anxiety, loneliness, fatigue. The habit addresses these feelings temporarily. Smoking isn't about nicotine, not primarily. It's about stress relief, social break, moment of control in chaotic day. Nail biting isn't about nails. It's about anxiety management, nervous energy release, tactile stimulation. Social media scrolling isn't about information. It's about boredom escape, dopamine hits, social connection simulation, avoiding difficult task, procrastination tool. Each serves psychological need, however maladaptively. You cannot eliminate need, only redirect it. Find healthier way to meet same need. This is substitution strategy. Works better than elimination strategy because brain still gets what it craves. Identify the cue precisely. Time-based cues, common for habits. After dinner, before bed, morning coffee, environmental cues, seeing TV, entering kitchen, emotional cues, feeling stressed, bored, anxious. Remove cues, when possible, out of sight, out of mind. This is environment design. Hide junk food, delete social media apps, remove cigarettes, increase friction between cue and routine. This creates pause. The pause is crucial. Habit is automatic. No thinking. Pause creates space for conscious choice. Even seconds can interrupt loop, allow alternative behavior. This is intervention point. Replacement habit technique. Keep cue, keep reward, change behavior. Stressed? Don't smoke. Take walk. Do push-ups. Call friend. Different routine. Same stress relief. Brain accepts substitution, if reward equivalent. Make bad habit difficult, good habits easy. This is friction manipulation. Want to stop phone checking? Put phone in different room, in drawer, in car. Each layer of friction reduces automaticity. Implementation intention for alternatives. If trigger, then healthy behavior. If stressed, then 10 deep breaths. If bored, then read 1 page. If anxious, then 5-minute walk. Pre-decide. Before trigger occurs, accountability structures help. Tell someone, report daily. Public commitment creates social pressure, positive pressure for following through. Habit contract, written commitment, signed witness, increases success rate. Mindfulness breaks automaticity. Notice urge, don't act immediately, observe it. Like cloud passing, urges peak, then subside. If you wait 10 minutes, often craving passes without acting on it. This is urge surfing, ride the wave of craving. Without giving in, it rises, peaks, falls. You remain observer, not participant. With practice, this becomes easier. Urges lose power. Understand habit formation timeline. 21 days is myth. Actual research shows average 66 days for automaticity, but range is huge, 18 to 254 days, depending on habit and person. Expect setbacks. They're normal, not failure. Part of process. Don't let one slip. Become full relapse. Get back on track immediately. Next opportunity. No shame, no guilt. Just resume. Identity shift helps. Don't say I'm quitting smoking. Say I'm non-smoker. Don't say I'm trying to stop. Say I don't do that. Present tense. Identity statement. This is who I am, not who I'm trying to be. Each time you resist, urge, you vote for new identity. Non-smoker, healthy person, disciplined person. Accumulate votes. Identity solidifies. Behavior becomes easier, aligned with who you are. Environment matters enormously. Surround yourself with people who embody identity you want. Their normal becomes your normal. Peer pressure works both ways. Choose wisely. Stress management essential. Many bad habits are stress responses. If stress remains high, habit returns or shifts to different bad habit. Address root cause, not just symptom. Build competing positive habits that fulfill same needs. Better ways, can't scroll phone if hands busy. With guitar, can't eat junk food if eating healthy meal, can't smoke. While running, crowd out bad with good. The goal is not perfection, it's improvement. Direction matters more than speed. Moving toward better behaviors, even slowly, even imperfectly. This is progress. This is success. This is enough.